Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be talking about informal contractions, including the word to. Now it's important to remember that these contractions are just for speaking, not for writing. So if you memorize them and learn how to say them well, you'll be sounding just like a native speaker. Let's get started. Okay, here I have my list of contractions including to. And these contractions are going to use the schwa, sound. And I have some examples for you that I need you to repeat after me each time. I will say it slowly first, and then at a native speaker speed second. Make sure you repeat each time. Here we go. First one, going to, gonna. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you. Next, have to, hafta. You have to study English. You have to study English. Has to, hasta. She has to work today. She has to work today. Used to, usta. She used to live in London. She used to live in London. Supposed to, supposta. I'm supposed to start a new job. I'm supposed to start a new job. Ought to, oughta. You ought to phone your sister. You ought to phone your sister. Need to, needa. You need to buy apples at the store. You need to buy apples at the store. Don't forget, you only want to use these in conversation. These aren't for writing. All right, you did it. Let's move on. Let's take a look at some dialogues. And this is really going to help you learn how to make contractions and how to use them and say them properly. Conversation 1. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Susan's sick. She ought to take some medicine. Conversation 2. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. They're late. Yes, they're supposed to be here by now. Conversation 3. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Do you live in London? I used to live there, but not anymore. Conversation 4. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Jack said he won the lottery. He has to be joking. Conversation 5. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. Let's go to the mall. I can't. I have to clean my room. Conversation 6. Which of these can be made into contractions? Yes, these ones. I'm going to ride the roller coaster. Bet you get sick. Great job today, everybody. Now you know a lot more about contractions. So I want to encourage you to keep on practicing, keep on studying, and keep on watching my videos. And you're going to be sounding like a native speaker before you know it. Let me know how you're doing in the comments, and see you next time. Bye!